Now you are saying and VS Code and it's going blurry. Oh, 1 second. So yeah, so as in today's video where we are uh, having an topic that what I have started doing it, and that's what the front end thing is. And this is the notes. Yeah, this is the notes. And on next means tomorrow I'll be having all the things line up on the VS Code. Okay, that's what the thing is. And I'll be making projects, and I'll be showing all the projects, and I'll be updating all the things what I have made and what I have learned from it. And what one thing that what I have learned right now is whatever, like number I have attended the tutorials of front end, basically the HTML, CS and JavaScript. And it is a pretty beginner part, but what important thing is that I have done before also. So this is gonna be quite a movement where I'm gonna be having all those things line up, and I'm gonna be ready with all those projects that I have made from it and what I have learned. So what I can show is that all the things that what I have learned, and I have made all the notes also, so to remember for the long period of time. And that's probably fine that I have made the notes, but the important thing for me is to make the projects and to show like okay what I have made so far, and how it's going and how the process is going. So and at this point I also want to share is that like on tomorrow's video it is going to be all the things on live server. So I'm going to be taking all the way, and I'm going to be showing okay what I have learned. So this is like the the basically the follow up thing, or I must say like introduction. So first video that I have uploaded on this channel is like the basically the uh, you know it's like a trailer thing. That's what it is gonna be coming. And now I have like started, and I'm gonna be uploading like 7 days a week. So that's I'm for sure. So it's gonna be there, and that's the short update that I want to give you. And all the notes, all the things that I have make, I'm gonna be showing. And I'm gonna also gonna be showing like okay where I'm learning from also. That's adding point. And bunch of people can know about it. Okay, where this like where he's like learning from. So that's from my side. And also having lots of practice thing. And I'll shown combinationally. What I mean is that like सब चीज़ें जो है combination में आ जाएगी. Okay, I'm not gonna be showing like whole process, but if there is any like particularly requirement, definitely I'll gonna show that. And that's what I have kept in mind for so far. And that's what I want to just notify about it. And yeah, so that's how I'm going, and that's how this process is going. And this is by far I can say that this is the going best. And या बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आने वाला है. This is the start. This is the start. Or once I'll be making lots and lots of projects, you also see that okay this dude is like making lots and lots of project. And okay this is doing some serious shit. So that's some like okay, so that's not a topic. So that's what my update is about. And that's what I also want to show. And from this, okay, and I'm gonna be uploading tomorrow next video where I'm gonna be showing maybe it would be like a part like 5 minutes part. So it would be like 10-minute whole video, but it is gonna be uploaded because I have some internet issues and it takes quite a bit internet also. So that's how I'm gonna be doing, and it would be quite good to see also. And like okay what type of projects is going. And yeah, so that's what my announcement is about. And I'm gonna be meeting tomorrow. So yeah, be there, all right, be there.